Talking Parrot. Aarya was gifted a wonderful talking parrot by his parents. The summer vacations had just begun, and Aarya was excited to spend all day with his talking parrot. He named her Chatty as the parrot chatted through the day. She always had a smile fixed on her face. Chatty's cage was hung to a hook on the window, and she danced and sang while seeing other birds. Aarya was always by Chatty's side. He would do his homework with Chatty, play with blocks, make shapes of clay, and even ate meals with Chatty. Aarya taught Chatty lovely new words like good morning, good evening, and the accurate time to say them as per the sun's position. For his oral exams in the coming month, Aarya had to memorize a beautiful poem called Nature's Beauty. The poem went like, "A tree gives shade, the sun gives warmth, clouds give rain, flowers bear fruit. Grounds give home to insects, bees, and trees and provide ample food." Chatty heard it intently and repeated the poem in her very sweet voice. By the evening, Chatty was very quiet. She looked at Aarya and barely smiled. Chatty then said, "I want to experience your poem. Sit on trees, enjoy the warmth of the sun, get wet in the rains, eat juicy, fresh fruits and seeds, and fly in the vast skies too." Aarya, along with his parents, opened the cage and let Chatty fly away. Chatty said goodbye and soared high up on the nearest tree. She promised to always be Aarya's friend. Moral: let birds be where they belong and always help them.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.